Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Today I want to show you how to make chicken bacon taco. Taco wrap, call it how you want. What we need is a chicken, like you see I cut it in the straps. And what we need to do marinate. We need marinate the chicken for at least 12 hours. So garlic, ginger. You can use ginger powder if you have, but I prefer fresh, so ginger. Oregano. Dry oregano. Pepper. Not too much. Salt. Sea salt, this is the case. Curry powder. And milk. Give it a mix so everything gets properly covered with the spices, properly mix. When it's nice and mix, we need to cover it for at least 12 hours. So that's going to fridge for at least 12 hours. What we do now when the chicken is ready, we need to make a sauce. So after chicken, we put chicken to the oven, we take it from the oven, we just cover it, like glaze it with the sauce, like barbecue sauce. What we need for that is ketchup, it's already in the pan, garlic in the pan, chili powder, you can use smoked paprika if you don't like chili, soy sauce, and honey. What we need to do is we need to make the sauce boiling. So, but on the low heat, like medium heat, we put pan on the medium heat. We're boiling the sauce, and the moment the sauce starts boiling, we cook it for 3 minutes when it's boiling, and we're just taking it off. Okay guys, now we need to put that bad boy together. Chicken is nice, cook on the pan with some bacon. Video is down in the corner. I was just cooking it till it's cooked, really. Okay, first cheddar, cheese going all around it. If you have mozzarella, even better. I managed. And here we have, guys, our crazy taco with barbecue sauce. It's nice done inside and around, so it's quite good. Cut it in half and see how it is. I managed to half it in half to show in the side. This is what we want, boys. First try. Guys, it's amazing. See you next week. I need to eat that bad boy.